Bathing is important for the grooming process for the birds. It allows birds to keep their feathers in good condition. Bathing removes dirt on the feathers and skin, and encourages preening. If you bathe your parrot regularly, you will notice that his feathers will begin to become waterproof. Bathing also removes any pollutants from the bird's feathers, so that it doesn't ingest any toxic stuff while preening. Cockatiel skin can become dry and itchy, leading to plucking. Bathing provides a natural venue for moisturizing a bird's skin. Some birds love to spray with water, while others prefer to bathe in a shallow dish of water. But with my experience with cockatiels, they like taking their bath with spray water. Buy a spray bottle. You can find it in the garden section of the home improvement store. Turn the spray head to mist. Make sure that the water is not too cold. Cockatiels and other small birds are susceptible to cold. Spray your bird gently. You need to create a gentle mist that showers down over your bird. And don't spray them right to the face. Cockatiel don't like that. Bathing should be a positive experience for your birds, and you should never force your birds to bathe. If your cockatiels like the bath, they are going to flap their wings, they are going to look like they want to get more wet. If you see that your cockatiel running away from the showers down mist, that's mean they don't want to bathe in that particular time. If that doesn't mean that they're never going to take a bath. Just keep offering your cockatiels bathing opportunities frequently. Also, the sound of water splashing can encourage your cockatiel to take a bath. Let your cockatiel dry off. Your cockatiel will dry herself off. Just make sure that your cockatiel is drying off in an area that is warm and free of cool breezes.